Hello, my name is Matt Scotchless, and I have been an elementary technology teacher in the Elwood City Area School District for 20 years. Throughout those years, I have taught kindergarten through 6th grade students various programs on a number of platforms, including iMacs, PCs, and Chromebooks. I have also performed professional development for elementary and secondary staff, hosted an evening adult computer class, and presented several times at the P&C conference in Hershey. I started using Google Docs in my elementary classrooms in 2010. In 2015, our school became a Google for Education school, and that's changed my career for the best. No longer was I saying save after each lesson. Projects were no longer being lost when the machine broke. It's been really great. One of the reasons I want to become a Google trainer is so that I can share my enthusiasm, experience, and knowledge with other classroom teachers. With every classroom lesson that I teach, I try to come up with the best ways to incorporate Google tools in the most innovative ways. One of the best lessons that I teach is a geography lesson to 3rd grade students. Let's go ahead and take a look at it. I always start this lesson with a Google slide presentation. We talk about the shape of the United States, and most students know what the shape of the United States looks like. But then we focus in on where Pennsylvania is in the United States. Then we move to the shape of Pennsylvania. We finally talk about all of the counties that are in Pennsylvania, including the one we are in, that's called Lawrence County. We talk about all of the other county names in Pennsylvania. And then finally, we break down Lawrence County into the townships and cities. Elwood City is at the southern part of Lawrence County. We talk about all the Lawrence County school districts. And then finally, we take a look at a map that shows us roads to get to different places in Lawrence County. This is what we base our map on when we start to create it. This lesson is sent out in Google Classroom. The directions say to follow along with Mr. Scotchless each week to create a map of Lawrence County. Each student will get a copy of the Google drawing. The final copy will look like this, but it starts with just the outline of Lawrence County. Each week we build on this outline. The first week we'll add circles where Elwood City and Newcastle are in Lawrence County. We'll also label them with text boxes. The next week, we'll add more cities like New Wilmington and Volant and Waupun. The next week, we'll add the counties that are around us, like Mercer County, Butler County, Beaver County, and the state of Ohio is to the west. The next week, we will begin to add roads that connect cities, like 65 connects Elwood City to Newcastle, and 208 connects New Wilmington and Volant. The next week, we will add major highways that run through Lawrence County, like 79, 376, and 76. And you can see each road does get a label. We also add a compass rose that tells us our directions, north, south, east, and west. We also build a mileage marker that tells us how many miles it would be from each city. Once again, this is one of my best lessons that I teach in 3rd grade. It keeps the students really energized, and they learn a lot about our geography here in Lawrence County. Once again, my name is Matt Scotchless, and I want to be the next Google certified trainer.